Welcome to Advanced Microsolutions 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers how to edit and print the third-party designee information in AMS Payroll. This tutorial will demonstrate how to indicate that there is a third-party designee on the form and edit the third-party designee information. On the main menu, select AMS Payroll. Highlight the payer and click OK. Click Payer. Select Payer Edit. Click the Preferences tab. Click Options. Click on the Miscellaneous tab. Check 6 is a third-party designee. Click OK. Click Options. Select File Management Utilities. And then select H. Edit third-party designee information. Enter the third-party designee information and click OK. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 ETC program. Have a great day.